Hello folks, welcome to the Introduction to Digital Marketing module. Today we're going to be taking a look at what is the internet and its history, digital marketing versus traditional marketing, categories of digital marketing, what are search engines and their types, how is the search engine result page and what are its components. But then we're going to look at what is a website as opposed to what is a web page and its components. Then we're going to take a look at what are domains, subdomains, and top-level domain. Then we'll take a look at what are the do's and don'ts we have to keep in mind before we choose to buy a domain. Then we're going to take a look at web hosting as well. All right, let's get into the first section, Internet and its history. All right, so the Internet is nothing but a network of computers connected to each other. So when I say a network of computers, there are many millions of computers available in the world today. So Internet is just the platform through which each of these computers are connected, either using a guided wire or with the help of an internet service provider who usually uses fiber optic technologies to transmit data between each network. So to split internet, it is nothing but inter-network. So which means it is between networks. So Internet has a lot of global exchanges which is responsible for making sure that the networks are able to speak to each other. Next is the common confusion between Internet and the World Wide Web or WWW. Trust me, they are not the same. Internet is the connection of the computers, whereas WWW is just a service that allows you to communicate through the. So, why digital marketing? Why is there so much of buzz between digital marketing over traditional marketing? Here are the reasons listed for you. It is one of the most powerful platforms that exists today. How many of you are on Facebook? I am. Are you on Instagram? I am. Are you on LinkedIn? Maybe not, but I am. So, my brand can reach out to any of these folks using any of these platforms. But when it comes to traditional marketing, let's take a TV advertisement, for example. You advertise in a particular channel. Let's take Star Movies. What if I change the switch? I flip another channel. You have to pay extra and expensive to display your advertisements on another channel again. What if I switch off my TV and come to my phone? You lost your customer. The reason why it is cost effective is, let's take Facebook and Instagram for example. Both can be managed from the same platform. So you can split your advertisements into two display networks. So and everybody in the world is available on Facebook and Instagram these days. If you're not on social media, you're lagging behind. You have to get into social media and understand where your consumers are. Next, it is cost effective. So when I say cost effective, mind you, this is not cheap. Cost effective means that you get the maximum returns for your investment. So if you're investing 1 rupee, you have the potential of getting 3x all the way to 30x for every rupee spent. The next thing is everything is valuable data. So every time you run a campaign, you can understand what happened before. Whether it failed, was it a success? You can understand everything backed with data. So once you have this data, you will be able to optimize all your further advertisements going forward to make sure you can get the maximum return of investment. Next is you are also able to track your leads on every section that they go to. Let's take for example, I run an e-commerce platform, and maybe I am Amazon. You come to my homepage, you go to my product page, you've added my product to your cart, but then you closed the browser, you exited out of Amazon. I know for a fact that you have left some products in your cart. So me as Amazon will send you an email. You would have received it as well, but let me tell you what it looks like. It will tell you, hey, did you forget to check out? You have forgotten a few products in the cart. Take a look at this. And maybe they would also send you a few offers if you do this. So what this shows is I can identify what is the flow of my customer throughout my website. So this will allow me to increase the conversions or the sales that I can make